How to use Epson Projector with iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Epson Projector with iPhone. So first, go ahead and open your iPhone and then go ahead and head over into the App Store. So on the App Store, head over into the search tab and then use the search bar to look for Epson Eye Projection. Click on the application and then click on the Get button to download it to your device. Now after that, go ahead and connect both devices to the same network. If using advanced connection mode, connect both iPhone and projector to the same Wi-Fi network. If using quick connection mode, connect your iPhone directly to the projector's Wi-Fi SSID. After that, go ahead and launch the app and connect. Open the Epson Eye Projection app and tap Select Projector and choose your projector from the list. You can also scan a QR code from projector screen to connect quickly. Now after that, you can use the app to start displaying photos, documents, web pages, or cloud files with Epson Eye Projection. And that is how you can basically use Epson Projector with iPhone.